Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we have completed 1.3, that is sum of n terms of a AP. First main we have completed. We'll begin with the second main today. Watch the video till the end so that you will get all the solutions clearly. Now we'll begin second main. There are 3 questions totally. First one, we need to find the sum of terms only. First one in that is second main. First one, 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 dash 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 plus 84. So the last term is given here, children. If the last term is given, we have very easy method to find the sum of n terms. First we need to find n. We don't know n here. So first we need to find n, then we can find n terms. Now first we will find d. A is equal to 7. D is equal to 21 by 2. 21 by 2 minus 7 by 1. So the LCM is 2. 2 ones are 1 twos are 21 minus 14, 7 by 2. So with the help of AN, this is AN, children. AN, we will find n first. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is 84. A is 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. As you have solved many sums like this, it is easy. 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is 77 into, we have to take the reciprocal of this because there is multiplication sign here. So it becomes divided by, 7 will be divided by and 2 will be multiplied. 2 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. Just easy method is just take the reverse. 7 ones are 7 11s are. 11 twos are 22 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 23, children. So after getting n, we need to find now S23. We'll just find S23 now. So easy method to find S23 is n by 2, that is 23 by 2, a plus an you can directly use now. 2a plus n minus 1d is nothing but a plus an. An means it is last term. Instead of an you can also write L also, that is also correct. So now 23 by 2, a is 7, an is 84. So 23 by 2, 84 plus 7 is 91. Now multiply these two. 23 ones are 23, 23 nines are 207 plus 2. 207 plus 2 is 209. Divided by 2 will give us 1046.5. So this is the sum of 23 terms of the given AP. Or instead of 0.5 you can write integer 1046 integer 1 by 2 also. That is also correct, children. So that completes the first question of second main. We'll begin with the second question now. Second main, second question. It is 34 plus 32 plus 30. 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10. So the last term is 10. Here D becomes negative, children. So A is equal to 34. D is equal to 32 minus 34 will give us minus 2. Same like the last question, we need to find the n. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 10. A is 34 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2. Now transpose 34 to LHS, it becomes minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. So 10 minus 34 is minus 24 divided by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus gets cancels. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So 12 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 13. So after getting n, we need to find S13, children. So just I'll find here only S13 is equal to 13 by 2 a plus an, that is the last term. 13 by 2 a is 34, an is 10. So 13 by 2, 34 plus 10 is 44 by 2. Sorry, it's not divided by 2, it's only 44. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 twos are 13 twos are 26, 13 twos are 26 plus 2, 28. So sum of 13 terms of the given AP is 286. So that completes the second question of second main. So now one more question is there, that is the last question of the second main. So many questions are there in this exercise, children. So slowly you can do it. So if you do it on your own, it will be easy. Only for the reference you can refer the video. But until the last, once you refer, then it will be perfect. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Third one is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 up to plus minus 230. So this is the AN, children. A is equal to, here we have minus 5. Now D is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 5. So minus 8 plus 5 becomes minus 3. D is minus 3. AN we have minus 230. With the help of AN, we are going to find N. A plus N minus 1 into D minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus N minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 230, it becomes plus 5 after transposing to LHS. N minus 1 minus 3. So minus 230 plus 5 is minus 225 is equal to N minus 1. This minus 3 becomes divided by. Both gets cancels. Therefore, N is equal to, or N minus 1 is equal to 3 ones are, 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. It is 75. So N is equal to 75 plus 1, 76. After getting N, we need to find S76, that is Sn. So we are going to find out now Sn, that is S76. 76 by 2, A is minus 5 plus An is minus 230. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 eights are. So it is 38 minus 5 plus into minus minus 230. So 38 minus 235. So you have to multiply this and write the answer, children. If we multiply here, 235 into 38 will give us 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 0 3 9 8. So the answer is minus 8930 is the sum of the 76 terms of the given AP. So that completes the second main, children. So till here we'll stop now. So subscribe my channel and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.